Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you see this screen, so here you can see Salesforce logo. So this will not change, but this one, see here you can see 20. It means it's like a winter 20, winter or summer, I guess. So Salesforce, it's having release. Uh, Salesforce having different releases. Like releases means it's like a update. How our
Yes, sir.
mobile it's getting update. Same way, Salesforce also having the different releases, which is a spring, winter, and summer.
Yes, sir.
Yearly 3 releases they have. It's like they will update their product and they will
Yes, sir.
deploy it. So what happen? It's like, so they will give some extra features so that you can access this also, or you can do this one, like this way or something. Keep on, they will update yearly thrice. Okay. So whenever they have updated, so here this logo will get changed automatically. Okay, so now we are seeing,
Yes, sir.
but we no need to do anything. Like in mobile, we are doing right. Update is available. You update it. So we are once we update, we are getting the updated version of that application. Same way, but here
Yes, sir.
it will not even ask update. Automatically, it's a cloud only, right? So automatically, whenever you are opening using your internet, it will update whenever it is changed. Okay, so this is a
Yes, sir.
logo. So this keeping change. So it depends on this. You can say which one is going on in Salesforce, which version is
Okay.
going on, because this symbol will change because different. If you say Winter 20 Salesforce, see this is a this logo for Winter 20.
Okay.
So
Okay,
which
sir.
is different from this one. So I can say
Yes.
if this logo was there, then I can say it's a Winter 20, and this logo if it's there, then it's a different. Okay. And after that, here we have overall search. So this search is nothing but it's like it will search this entire or records it will search. Okay, so you can create multiple records in this entire in all the tabs, like let's say accounts and contacts. Contact in mobile we have
Yes, sir.
contacts, right? Same way you can
Yes,
store
sir.
all the details here, accounts, contacts. So if suppose I said companies they have, so they have to store what are the different type of bikes they have. Like if for example if it's bike showroom, so they have to store what are the bikes they have already. Uh, so everything they need to store. So if you want to search anything, it is a overall search. So you might forget where is that account, or if you have more number of records, but you know the name. So in that case, you can just check something. So it will give you the result overall the arc. It will search everything and it will give you the results. See here I just searched test. So test is available in all these so many places. See, this is test community, so it retrieved. In contacts, I
Yes,
have
sir.
something test email, and here in the authorization form, I have test here everything. So it is like overall search. If you want anything quickly, you want you can search here.
Oh, yes,
It's
sir.
a global search in Salesforce. After that, we have this one I said yesterday. This is for switching to the Lightning. Okay. So after that, here you have your profile. So your profile just to change your name and your details, whatever you have given right initially while
Yes, yes,
creating
yes.
it. So same way, if you want, you can just change your settings. and here you can change your language and your time zone and everything, and login history and everything. So here we have something called reset security token. Okay. So what happens in Salesforce? Whenever you create a new users, if you want connect with the external system, so that is a big topic. I mean, you just have a small understanding. We can see further later. Let's say Facebook, you have an account in Facebook, you have an account in Twitter, Instagram, let's say. If you use
Yeah,
both,
okay, sir.
there will be one sync if you are using currently. When you upload in Instagram, it will ask, you want to post the same thing to the Facebook also or not. When you just check that checkbox, it automatically posted in the Facebook also, because
Yes,
explicitly
sir.
you will not go to Facebook and upload everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why how it is happening is like, it's both system is having the connection. Okay, so both are entirely different, but both are having some connection. That is we called as, if I'm a Facebook user, I will say Instagram is a external system. It's like it's not our system, it's an external
Yeah,
system.
yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
If I'm using Instagram, I mean, if I'm Instagram user, I will say Facebook is a external system. Whatever we are using, it's our internal system, like Salesforce. So if you are
Yes, sir.
using any accessing, doing anything, any interaction with any of the other system, it will be called a external system. Okay. For making all those transactions, let's say you are uploading in the Instagram. At the time, it's getting uploaded in Facebook, but how it's happening? They have to Instagram. They have to access your Facebook account using your username and password, right? So, like
Yes, sir.
same way in Salesforce, we have something called security token. So whenever some system like that, they are trying to access Salesforce, that time we need to provide this security token to them. Okay, for that we have to
Yes,
create
sir.
it here. When we go in development or something, we will understand more. Just have a small understanding what is security token. It's like a unique key per person, so you can give it to other people so they can access your things. So, and here you have login history, like see what time you logged in, from which IP you logged in, everything will be captured
Okay, okay,
here.
sir.
Okay, so it's like yeah, everything will be noted, like what time, who logged in, when you logged out, and everything. Okay, IP
Yes, sir.
address. So like this, you have all settings here. You can just change it here. This is my setting. Okay, see, this is your profile, so you can
Profile.
just
Yeah.
change your thing. So if you click on this button, you can just edit your profile, like change your name or whatever you want. Okay, this is a normal settings only, so this much. You can just try to change something and check whether it is reflecting properly.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so that this is called developer console. Okay. Uh, If you click on this, you will see another screen will be opened.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you can remember in C or C program, or which coding you did, so where did you do? I mean, where did you type the things?
Sir?
You did any coding C or something you said, right? C or C++.
Yes, sir. Yeah. C and C++.
So
Both.
you have typed that code, right? Where did you type in command prompt or something else?
Sir, it's basic. Its own software, sir.
Okay. So you have to install that software and you have to execute that. Then after that you have create a new file, right? And you must be
Yes, sir.
entered code, right? You would
Yes,
have
sir. Yes, sir.
installed that one before
Yes, sir.
it. But in Salesforce, it's already I said it's a cloud, so we don't need to install anything for that also. So this is the place that where we have to write our all our code. So
Coding.
here you can create classes, everything you can create it here. Coding, basically coding, it will be done here. It's for developer. This
Yes, sir.
developer console is for developer. So here you can create however you create in there new methods, new classes, everything. Same way you can create everything here. This is for developer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will explain this. What are the tabs? Here also we have so many tabs. Everything
Yes,
I
sir.
will explain during development, because now you will not get it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is a developer console for development. This is for logout. So here we have setup button. Okay, this is the button you are going to click all the time. All the per day I used to click 1,000 times, because this is the important and everything will be here only. So when you click on this setup button, so you will find this left side, this search box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here left side, if you come down, you will be able to see everything. Whatever you want to do, any configuration, everything will be here. You can directly go and click on something. Otherwise, since it's a long list and each and everything is having so many list. Okay. So everything you can just
Oh,
check.
yes, sir.
You can just type it here just to check this one, this left side column. This search is different, this search is different.
Yeah,
This
yes,
is
sir.
for only this left side search. You can
Yes,
just
sir.
say workflow. I want some this one workflow, so I just typed it. But if I go and check it here without searching, it will be very difficult for me to find it. So always in real-time project, also in company everywhere, you will use this search only to check everything
Yes,
and
sir.
open it everything. Okay. So let's say I want one more thing. I want process builder. So you can just click on it once search comes, then it will get opened. So it's opening.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So setup it's over. Help is not just like showing the version and everything. This
Yes, sir.
one we will not use it much. And this one I showed you. This one will show the different applications. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can consider this is like your mobile. So in mobile we have different applications like Facebook, Instagram, and everything. So same way you can consider this is your mobile and you have different applications here. So you can click on any application and open it in mobile. However we are opening, same way you can just open it. So whenever you are opening this different, so here you will get it different kind of tabs. So that is the only difference.
Okay, okay, sir.
So whenever you are, this is a custom application which is created by me. So I can just add something whatever I want, students, articles, and everything. This everything is I created by I just created it. Okay. So you can also create like this one application. Once you know the things, you can create your own application here and you can place it here and you can use it for your own purpose.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now this much it's done. And after that, here you will be having all the tabs. Each tab is like this is the home. Home, it's a mandatory, everywhere
Yes,
it
sir.
will be there. After that, here you can say see clients. So actually I changed this name. It's supposed to be account. Okay. I just changed this label.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.